behind the scenes of making the 4th of July Part 2. Oh, here's one milk carton. I can grab that. Oh.
I'm gonna have to pizza serve to get this.
Okay, you got this, Busy. I believe in you. Don't fall, don't fall.
Hot.
Also, guys, we have to leave on our road trip in like 10 minutes, so we have to make this really fast.
Get back here.
I believe in you, Busy. You got this.
Come on.
Watch as the brave heroine swims toward the ladder, holding the treasure. She's done it. She saved the day. Let's hope she doesn't fall. Okay.
Man, I need to.
I'll get your socks and then we'll just like sprint inside. Okay. I'm walking. So basically,
Oh, not mine knocking you over to get to mom. Burpees, doing burpees.
It's like, I don't know what this game is, but I'll play it. But, yeah, she got you with their claws.
her talons.
Poor Pussy out of your back.
Justin! I can't.
Side.
You burned it that bad?
Judgy, look what happened to his s'more. You crack it open and there's that.
Oh, yeah, that one's toasted.
Justin, give the viewers a good close-up of that goofy old marshmallow.
I think you should let somebody else roast this next one for you.
Yeah, let Dad roast it, because Dad's just that good.
Throw it in the fire.
Yeah, just.
The ceremonial burning. LeBron! Not too many fireworks out here. Really, not too many.
tongs touched my gum, and it flipped open.
And she had the whole roll of bubble tape. And it just
It
exploded.
was like 5 feet, because I already ate a foot of it in less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, that kid
Oh,
loves
that's
gum.
cool. I blew a lot of bubbles. Alexa,
Yes.
when I was in the bathroom, so the gum in my mouth, right? Because I didn't
Okay,
want to
we're
spit
not
it
talking
out.
about you in the bathroom on the vlog.
And
You're gonna write. I got it.
I spelled hero.
Oh no.
They all want to split.
Good one. You got one ready for it?
Alright, and I gotta get this up here. Come on.
Hey.
I gotta be able to like reach up here when I can't.
You're doing well.
Sorry, Killer House. Okay. I almost forgot to spell subscribe. I can't do this today. Alright, I got it. Subscribe. Finished.
That one person who unsubscribed, I'm so mad at you.
Subscribe. Don't sing that. Trying to like 5 sparklies.
You have a stop. You made you ruined it.
Children. You might have to do it individually. There must be too much sparkler for that to handle. Too much sparkler.
Let's see the sparkling.
How are you doing, Biz?
Good.
That's good. Didn't even look at the camera.
If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe.
I don't even want to touch that.
Guys, do you guys want to?
Spill my sparkliness.
Let's go. Like the 4th of July. Look at that fire! She's literally very dangerous right now.
Yeah.
After you do that, I have an experiment to show this.
Oh, the beautiful 90 subscribers. I love you.
But if you're not
Hold on,
subscribed, you
please,
can't
guys.
watch this next part.
Yeah.
So stop it now.
Unsubscribers, subscribe.
Okay, now it's my turn. Alexa, I need you to video me.
I was gonna show them the.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Experiment.
Okay, let's watch the experiment.
So what's your point here, sir? What are you trying to do?
Probably trying to light that.
Oh my god, no way.
Oh, where you actually set this on fire!
Give it to the bag.
The fries in the bag.
Put the fries in the bag. No, it just has to burn out. What are you doing? You can't. What the heck? Don't light the place on fire.
Justin, they're all on fire.
Not that one.
We're pyros tonight.
I'm a pyro.
Oh, MG, it's dynamite!
Okay, you're good. Do you have anything to say to the subscribers?
Dad,
The nice people.
you're so sweet. And that one person who unsubscribed, I'm so cross with you.
So what do you have to say to the subscribers? Not the unsubscribers, but the subscribers. Nothing. Okay, cool.
Tell people to subscribe.
What do you have to say to the unsubscribers?
Oh.
Subscribe right now. But I mean, they shouldn't be watching this, so if they are, you are
Make
so
this video
disrespectful.
subscriber only.
Yeah, I can't do that. That's not a power for YouTubers.
What do you mean? I saw.
Oh, there's a guy that.
That like light your shoe on fire. Holy damn.
There they go on fire.
Stop being a pyro.
That was.
Under the golden light, moon